Draw furry, cyclops, and procreate. Step 1, start with a big circle. Next, take a fur brush, then add strokes around the circle to the way you like it. Next, there's going to be a bunch of circles for the eye, iris, pupil, highlights. Let's give this little fur ball a mouth, shall we? The mouth is looking like a crescent moon. Fill it in with black. Add the tongue, which is kind of like a heart shape. Make sure it's set to clip and mask. Next, let's add some teeth. I chose 2. You can add as many as you want. Make sure you fill them in. Our next step is to take the default soft brush. We're going to add shadows to the eye, but make the size of the brush bigger. Now start adding the brush, and you're going to shade until you get what you like. Did the same thing with the teeth. For the eye, I decided to change it up with this texture brush. I did it with the shadow and highlight, also with the tongue. On a new layer, change normal to multiply. We're going to start shading the circle, and we're going to use different fur brushes. Use a mid-tone gray color, and then you're going to brush, and you'll see it's darker, which is why we set it to multiply. Adding the strokes gives it some dimension. For highlights, we select overlay, and the color we use is white. Add more fur strokes, change the color of the background, add horns, put it in the back of the circle, decorate them however you want. If you want to add a background, use some sort of splatter brush. And that's how you do it. Like and follow for more.